Hello all, myself is Shashikala. In this video, we'll see how to configure a DNS server using a Cisco packet tracer. Let's select End Devices. From this, select PC. Just drag and drop it. Then go to Network Devices, Switches. Select PT switch. Drag and drop it. Then again go to End Devices, select a server, so after this we need to connect the devices. So to do connections, select the connections. From this, select copper straight through. Click on the PC, select fast Ethernet, connect to switch, click on switch and you will get a fast Ethernet. 0 by 1 select, then again select copper straight through, do connection from switch to server, select the switch, fast Ethernet 1 by 1, click on the server, select fast Ethernet 0. Once you connected wire, main thing will start. Now we'll assign an IP address to this server. To do this, double click on the server, then this default box will arise. Select desktop. We need to configure the IP address, so select IP configuration. So give the IP address here. In this I will give the IP address as 192.161.1.1. Click on the subnet mask. This value is generated by default. Then give the IP address for DNS server 192.161.1.1. So make sure that this IP address and DNS server IP address should be same. Now go to services. Here we need to create a website. So in this services we have HTTP. In HTTP we have index file. Go to index file and edit. We have here some default code which we don't want, so I will delete it. So here I will write DNS server. So after this, save as. Here we need to configure the DNS. We need to enable the DNS service, so always take care of this, that DNS service should be on. Then give the website name. Here I will give my website and IP address. Sorry. So add. So here we can see the name, type will be a record and the IP address. So after this, we'll close it. Here we need to generate IP address for the PC. Double click, select desktop, IP configuration. Here I will give the IP address for PC. Subnet mask is generated by default. Here DNS IP server IP address will be same 0.164.1.1. Okay, so after this again go to desktop, close it, desktop, web browser. So he will check that whether my website will give the value. So here we can check by giving the name, we can generate what we have written in the code, and we'll check same for by giving IP address, same desktop, web browser. So here we will give the IP address, go. We can check by giving IP address and by giving name, both same, we'll get here DNS server. So by this we can say that the name whatever we generated, that we can also be used in the IP address by using IP address. So this is all about the DNS server configuration using Cisco Packet Tracer. Thank you.